Hello my dear students, welcome to our today's class. Our today's lesson is Teaching of Jatak, Chapter 8, Buddhist Religion and Moral Education. Our today's lessons are Jatak, the precept and teaching of Jatak, the purpose of Jatak study, the influence and historical value of Jatak, Mahadhammapal Jatak, Nakhatta Jatak, Kuta Vanija Jatak, Kurangam Riga Jatak and Kalakarni Jatak. Let's know about Jatak. Generally, Jatak means the person who has born. But in Buddhism, the previous birth story of Gautam Buddha is called Jatak. There are 550 Jataks in Pali literature. The Jataks are written in Pali language. Jatak is the 11th text of Khuddaka Nikaya of the Tripitaka. The precept and teaching of Jatak. The precept and teaching of Jataks are universal. The Jatak stories are very fine. The precepts of Jatak literature are virtuous practice, friendship, kindness, high-mindedness, piousness, morality, nursing, politeness, self-restraint, humanity, etc. The principal teaching of Jataks is to build up a noble and ideal life by following good deeds. Buddha described various stories of Jatak at the time of preaching his Dhamma. The teaching of Jatak are various births of Bodhisattva and firm efforts to fulfill parami or perfection. The purpose of Jatak study. Many objects are known by the study of Jataks. Generally, the purpose of the description of Jataks is to narrate the good effect by the good deeds and bad effect by the ill deeds. According to Buddhism, no one can attain Buddhahood by dint of consequences of one's action only by one birth. Gautam Buddha was born in various families in countless kappa as Bodhisattva or Buddhankur. We receive instruction by reading the Jataks to go in the right way, to do good deed, to prosper in social, family and personal life, and to do good to others and to be honest, etc., especially to get education for attaining nirvana by developing character of them. The influence and historical value of Jatak. The influence and historical value of Jataks are immeasurable. It has gained importance to all to study the Jatak. The influence of Jatak is present in various languages and ancient literatures in the world. The influence of Jataks is seen in the stories of Aesop and the Decameron in the ancient time. There are influences over the Arabian Night stories also. The influence and historical value of Jataks are inevitable. There are numerous materials to write the political, social, religious and geographical history of ancient India. The ancient education system, rules of administration of a kingdom, social customs, etc. were narrated in Jataks 2500 years ago. Various kingdoms, towns, ports, kings, classes, merchants, temples, rivers, etc. in Jatak literature like Koshala, Vaishali, Magadha, Rajgriha, Savatthi, Varanasi, etc. Jatak stories. In your book, there are some Jatak stories with advice. Read all of those stories and advices. Hope you will enjoy those stories. Dear students, now here is a question for you. What is called Jatak? I hope you already know the answer. Jatak is the previous life story of Buddha, or the previous birth story of Gautam Buddha is called Jatak. Here are some homeworks for you. Exercise ABC, only answers. After finishing your homework, submit the homework's photo as comment. Learn all short question and broad questions from exercise. So my dear students, that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed it. See you again in our next class. Stay safe and stay with study. Good luck.